Hey guys, today on Cooking Up Love, I'm sharing the easiest scalloped potatoes recipe. It's perfect for serving with pork, steak, your favorite roasted chicken. These are delicious enough for family dinners, and they're special enough for your next brunch or holiday dinner. They're creamy and cheesy, and the potatoes bake on a sheet pan in a double layer, so every bite has that deliciously crispy top and edges. Let me show you how easy these are to make. And here's everything you'll need. About 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, scrubbed and washed, and we'll peel these. 2 cloves of garlic, heavy cream, kosher salt, pepper, dried thyme, Parmesan, and Gruyere cheese. In a medium saucepan, mince 2 cloves of garlic, add 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. And when I was making this, I remembered one of our guests doesn't love thyme, so I took out about half of that. Add salt and pepper to your taste. I've added just less than 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Give this a whisk and begin heating it over medium heat. While the cream sauce is heating, preheat your oven to 450 degrees and liberally butter a sheet pan. Then grate about 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Once the cream mixture comes to a simmer, turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. While it's cooling, peel the potatoes and remove any spots or blemishes. And then use a sharp knife or a mandoline to slice the potatoes very thinly, about 1/8 inch thick. If you're using the mandoline, remember to use the safety guard. These blades are really sharp. Then layer the potato slices in a single layer, overlapping the sides. Sprinkle the top with kosher salt and half of the grated Parmesan cheese. Then layer on a second layer of potato slices, again overlapping the sides. Sprinkle again with the kosher salt. And ladle on the cream sauce. Cover the pan tightly with foil and bake the potatoes until they're tender, about 20 minutes. Remove the foil and sprinkle the potatoes with the remaining Parmesan, 1½ cups of shredded Gruyere cheese, and ground black pepper. Cook this uncovered until the potatoes are browned and crusty on top and along the sides, and that'll be about 15 or 20 minutes more. These are delicious for family dinners, and they're special enough to serve at your next brunch or holiday dinner. And if you're lucky enough to have leftovers, reheat them gently in the microwave or cover and warm in the oven. And if you like this recipe, press the like button to let me know. And if you've got a friend who's learning to cook or who loves super tasty potatoes, share this and let them know you're thinking of them. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.